They will do the white, I will do the close up.
Okay, best. Wow, multiple angle now. High class. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, I think what we want to do today is try and get a little bit more of the coordination work with the rolling hands. Alright, so we can work with our buddy. So our buddy can be here, and then we're working with our buddy like a pad, you know, like a pad work. You can work on the buddy as a pad work. So the safety here is this: work with the thick side of your buddy, which is the deltoids, the posterior down, and then the lats a little bit in the back here. So avoid the hard points at the top, so don't hit on the hard points, you're going to hurt him. Alright, but work the extensions with your hands, with your sides. Alright, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now the key thing here is this: you want to get complete chambering of your movement. Alright, so the complete chambering of the movement requires the hands to return to the shoulder. Back down. Alright, now when you come up, goes back up. See the right hand comes back up to the shoulder position, and then stand back out again. So you can also isolate the low line to the high line. Alright. So the hinging, next thing is the hinging. Alright, you gotta work the hinge at the elbow. So hinge, 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 hinge. So familiar with the hinging position, okay? So what I do like about this is I get some real tactile sense of human flesh versus focus hands, yeah? And then what we can do is we practice some kind of foot trap and taking off on a triangle at the same time. Okay, so assuming you can see here, I can work the foot trap. And then I can work off the triangle, okay? Inner, outside. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, so that's it. It's a short instructional moment for the rolling hands and making sure you have full range of motion. Coming back to chamber, alright, taking off on the triangle. Okay, thanks.